us. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Cap-des-Rosiers, Quebec, is a small but beautiful village located at the northeastern tip of the Gaspé Peninsula, right where the St. Lawrence River meets the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Cap-des-Rosiers is famous for its stunning landscapes and rich maritime history. One of the most iconic landmarks here is the Cap-des-Rosiers Lighthouse, the tallest lighthouse in Canada. Standing at 34 meters, 112 feet, high, this impressive white tower has been guiding ships safely along the coast since 1858. The lighthouse is a National Historic Site and offers incredible views of the surrounding coastline and the vast ocean beyond. The name Cap-des-Rosiers translates to Cape of the Wild Roses, and it's said that the area was named after the wild rose bushes that used to grow abundantly along the shore.
Thank you very much.
This adds a touch of romance to the rugged beauty of the coastline. Cap-des-Rosiers is also located at the entrance to Survolez National Park, one of Quebec's most stunning natural reserves. The park is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering everything from hiking and whale watching to exploring the park's rugged cliffs and forests. The history of Cap-des-Rosiers is deeply tied to the sea. Fishing was the main industry for many years, and the village's maritime heritage is still very much alive today. The area was also a key location for early European explorers navigating the waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. Whether you're here to see the historic lighthouse, explore the natural beauty of Survolez National Park, or simply enjoy the peaceful seaside atmosphere, Cap-des-Rosiers is a place where history and nature come together beautifully. Cap-des-Rosiers Lighthouse stands proudly at the edge of the St. Lawrence River, guiding sailors safely since 1858. It's the tallest lighthouse in Canada, standing at 34 meters, or about 112 feet high. The lighthouse was built to help ships navigate the tricky waters of the Gulf of St. Lawrence, which were known for their strong currents and hidden rocks. Its white tower, made from local stone, has been a beacon of hope for mariners for over 160 years. During World War II, this area was crucial in protecting Allied shipping routes from enemy submarines. Today, the Cap-des-Rosiers Lighthouse is a National Historic Site, attracting visitors who want to step back in time and enjoy stunning coastal views.